100% now. See we they don't know we but they acting like they do now. Yeah.
Boom, boom, bang, 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 bing. It's your boy Jamaican J with another Lspdfr video. Yeah, another Thursday patrol. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, another episode of Thursday patrol. And today I'm be rolling with the K9 unit today. You know what I'm saying? See, I got my favorite partner, Bruno. My boy Bruno with me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And Bruno's a serious boy too, he don't play. Word up. So we're gonna be patrolling, we're gonna be mostly pulling over people, trying to see if we could find, using Bruno to see if we could find any drugs or anything on them, or you know what I'm saying, things that K9 unit would do. Maybe take a couple call outs too. Yeah. But 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Like I say, oh, you see that, huh? Y'all see that, right? Let me show you again if y'all missed it. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Yeah, do remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you're a first time viewer. It is much appreciated here on this channel. Yeah. Yeah, Jamaican say much love. Jamaican J say much love. Word up, man. You can also follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J _X. Also on Twitter, _X Jamaican J4. Yeah, man. Show some support, man. It is much appreciated. You show support to me, I support you. Word up. In anything you be doing. Okay, so let's see what's up, man. Gotta get Bruno in the car. Come on, Bruno, let's move. Let dispatch know we're ready to work. Enough jabbering. No more long talking. Where you going, Bruno? You can't drive, man. Get in the truck. Get in, Bruno. There you go. Word up. Alright, let's dispatch know we're ready to work. Dispatch 7 Frank 11.
7 Frank 11. Go ahead.
Dispatch show me 10-8.
10-4, 10-8.
Yo, I want to do it like a real police so bad, but man, I don't know how a real police do it, man. Like, I don't know how they talk, their code. So I could like try to simulate it as much as possible, but it's kind of hard, man. I don't really know much people who are cops and so on and so on. Alright, so let's go pull over some people, man. Because Bruno is ready to work.
Suspect has evaded officers. Suspect black scene in Sandy Shores.
Dispatch 7 Frank 11 en route.
Roger that. Respond code 3.
Oh, you had to just stop right there, huh? Get the fuck out of the way, man. What is going on here? They say suspect is fleeing. Who's that dude right there? Why is he over there? You know what? Come on, Bruno. I ain't leaving you. Let's go.
Target is heavy African American male. Suspect is wearing pink short sleeve shirt.
Pink short sleeve shirt. Okay. I don't know which view I like best. This view or this view. One of these views is kind of far to me. Alright. He's wearing a pink shirt. So, what the hell are you doing over there? So, in a pink shirt. Maybe I need to Come on, Bruno, let's go. I thought it was right here, but it's not even here. Get him, Bruno. Let's go see if we find this dude. Damn, that's a pink shirt. Alright, let's patrol this area, see if we see him. What the hell he doing in a pink shirt anyway? If he just... Is it? I don't see nobody in no pink shirt. Let me wait till this train pass and I just go over that side. Is that I see somebody walking over there. Hurry up, train, hurry up. I know I just saw somebody walking over there. Oh, there he is right there. Is this a pink shirt? Let me see if this is him, yo. This is the only person I see.
How you doing, Oos?
But he's just walking his dog, yo. He got on a black sweater. He ain't got on no pink shirt. Where does this guy go?
Suspect is in Sandy Shores.
Oh, I see him. I should have made Bruno eat it. Let me... Come on, Bruno. Come on, Bruno.
Dispatch, suspect located. Moving to engage.
I got Bruno with me. Come on, Bruno. Come on, Bruno. Get him, Bruno. Get him. Get him. Get him, Bruno. Get him. Get him, Bruno. Get him, Bruno. Get him, Bruno. Get him, Bruno. Get him. Get him, Bruno. Train coming, Bruno. Watch your train. Damn, Bruno. I told you watch your damn train. Damn, Bruno dead.
Code 4, Adam.
Hey, both of them dead. Damn, man.
Give me some cover.
Yeah, I wonder if they're gonna send
Son of a bitch.
dispatch requesting ambulance. Yeah, man. I wonder if they're gonna send
Ambulance. Assistance required in
Damn, Bruno.
Shores.
You better save Bruno life too, man. You better yeah, I better save Bruno. Man, I should just shoot you, man. I should shoot you in the arm, you know, for making Bruno die. Yo, you save Bruno, man. Fuck that dude, man. Save Bruno. Damn. Oh, I don't know what happened there. They just fell through the floor and fell over there. Look at that. Ah, man, let me call a what's that right there? You better not come over here, man. Dispatch requesting animal control.
Assistance required in Sandy Shores.
I'm gonna have to get the next dog now, man. Damn, man. Bruno die, man. Oh, boy. Hey, get out of here, man. Get out of here, coyote. Don't shoot the coyote, bro. Yo, leave the coyote and you go get Bruno, bro. Damn, he shot him. He tranquilized his ass. Let's do this. Alright, man, fuck it. I'm gonna have to get rid of Bruno, yo. Oh, shit. What happened to this? This person. Dispatch requesting ambulance. Cop down.
Ambulance. Assistance required in Sandy Shores.
Yo, where's my car, man? Don't tell me I gotta walk to the station. Man, I don't like how this started out, man. Bruno die off the bat. And this train keep passing here. Like a train pass by every 2 seconds on this track. Yo, over here, idiots.
Give them some room.
Why she's, you better save her. Why she's in the ground. Okay, she's good. That's good.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, man. Damn, man. We got a bad start, man. I'm gonna have to go back to the station and get a get a different vehicle. Because I don't see my truck. So let me just run back over here. I got no Bruno, no station. No car to drive back to the station. So yeah, she's London Johnson, she survived. That's good, man. Can't afford to lose another officer. Alright, bro, you know you tired. Get your ass in there, get a new truck. Ain't nobody working the front desk? Alright, let me get a different truck. There we go. Alright, man. We gotta get a different dog, man. Alright, man. So I'm gonna change this dog color. So he look different from Bruno. Can't look like Bruno. Gotta look different from Bruno. Let's change texture. Can't look like Bruno, bro. The only one Bruno. Okay, there you go. Okay, this dog named Tonto. Okay, Tonto. Come on, Tonto, let's go. Yeah. Dispatch 7 Frank 11.
7, Frank 11. Go ahead.
Dispatch, show me 10-8.
Roger, 10-8.
Yeah, man, I was trying that ambient call out. That it's a nice call out, man. But for some reason, that shit just crash your whole fucking game. So the guy who make ambient call out, man, that shit is dope. But you gotta work on something, bro. I should be crashing your computer, bro. Word up.
Citizens reporting an attempted suicide in Sancheon Ski Mountain Range.
Okay, we'll do that. Dispatch 7 Frank 11 en route.
Roger that. Respond code 3.
Why does this guy trying to attempt suicide now, huh? Get out of the way, bro. I should have just went across the street. What the hell? Come all the way down here. It's on the train track he's trying to kill himself? Or is he up there trying to jump off? Where is he? Listen to the jumper. Okay. Listen to the jumper. Negotiate with him or by pressing Y. Okay, Y. Jumper. I bet you won't jump down. Why would you say that to them? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna jump.
We are code 4, Adam.
Oh shit. Where she landed? Yo, what kind of shit is that? What kind of negotiation was that, man? Where she landed? I saw her shadow. Damn, man. I don't know, bro. I know I saw something fell. Let me call the ambulance and see. Dispatch requesting ambulance.
Ambulance. Assistance
Yo, I
required.
saw a shadow fall, yo. Where did she fall? I know I'm not fucking going losing it, man. I saw a shadow. Come over here, ambulance. Come over here real quick. Let me see if oh, she fell on top of the train. Oh shit, see? She up there, bro. She jumped off from up there to the top of the train. I didn't even see her. It's a good thing I called the ambulance, bro. Save her, man. Because I didn't even see her. Okay, she's alive. That's good. Dispatch, show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No additional officers needed.
Yeah, man, I want to patrol this highway right here. Let me patrol this side. I really want to patrol this highway right here, yo. Anybody passing here with no drugs through this, on this highway, not gonna be nice. I can't believe that person jumped off of there. Jump on the train. Real suicidal. Yo, Tonto, man, you good? Let me check up on Tonto, yo. Yo, Tonto, you good in the back there, man? Good dog, good dog. I got my Motorola speaker up in there. You see, I got my shotgun. Oh yeah, so they kind of changed Lspdfr up a little bit. You gotta actually go to the car if you want to change your gun. I can't change my gun like a regular GTA. I gotta go to the car, then get my rifle or my shotgun. Yeah, this car looks very nice inside. It's very detailed, isn't it? Ain't it? See the laptop got a little flicker in it. I like that. Attention to detail, man. Attention to detail. Good job, yo. Whoever made this, good job. It's kind of slow here, ain't it? Dispatch 7 Frank 11.
7 Frank 11. Go ahead.
Dispatch, show me 10-8.
Roger, 10-8.
Yeah, nothing going on over here, so. Let me move from here and go on the other side of the highway. Maybe I catch somebody on the other side. Yeah, what's going on over here? Hope y'all ain't smoking no weed over there now. Nah, weed is legal. Okay, you're good with the weed.
We have a Grand Theft Auto in progress on Sonora Freeway.
Dispatch 7 Frank 11 en route.
10-4, 7 Frank 11.
What's up with this dude? Is he pulling over or what? You trying to brake check me, bro? Don't do it, bro. Don't try to brake check me. You pull over. Dispatch requesting code 2 backup.
Assistance needed in Santiansky Mountain Range.
Let me get some backup here, because they say he's a wanted criminal.
13. We're at the little coffee shop around the corner.
Ain't trying to take no risk. Oh, they sent a ranger out. Okay. Stay in there, Tonto. Let me deal with this.
How's it going?
Alright, it's going good, man. Just watch his fool. Yo, man. Let me ask him a question, man. Any idea why I stopped you, bruh? It's me. Do you recognize me? I live down your block. No, you don't live down my fucking block, man. You know what? They say you're a wanted criminal, man. Give me some documents.
May I see your ID, please?
Josh Hamilton.
Thanks.
Okay. Stay right there, man. Don't move. Let me sort this out. Let's see. Josh Hamilton. Okay. He's wanted for aggravated murder. Wow. I'm not even going to go no further. I'm not even going to waste my time. Yo, why is that guy running across the street? Anyway. I'm trying to find out. Okay. Yo, man, get the hell out of that. Out of that. Get your. Yo, don't let me have to. Get your ass out of there, boy.
Hold it!
We are code 4.
fucker!
Damn right he's under arrest. Playing games with me. Don't worry, my dude. I'll pat him down. Ain't gotta do shit. Alright, bro. You could go ahead. Dispatch requesting transport.
10-4, copy that. Transport
there.
required.
Yeah, get him out of here, man. Let me get a tow truck and come. Let me get out your way, bro.
Damn you!
Let me get out your way. See what else he wanted criminal got in here. He got pills, unmarked bottle with some shit in it. Dispatch requesting a flatbed tow truck.
Flatbed. Assistance required in Santiago Mountain Range.
You're too kind.
Dispatch show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No additional support needed.
Don't worry, Tonto. Don't worry. I'm gonna let you. I'm gonna let you bite somebody soon. All right, let me let the traffic go ahead, man. Come on, y'all go ahead. Yo, nothing to see here, man. Why you stopping over there, dude? I'm gonna run your plate, bro. Okay, you good. Dispatch 7 Frank 11.
7 Frank 11.
Dispatch show me 10-8.
Roger. 10-8.
Yeah, what else I was doing up here again before?
Attention all units. We have a possible burglary in Sandy Shores. We have a civilian in need of assistance.
Dispatch 7 Frank 11 en route.
10-4, copy that. 7 Frank 11.
Alright, you know what? I think Tonto gonna finally bite somebody. Somebody breaking in somebody's house. What's that for? Expired license. I should turn this thing off. Over at Trevor's house? Yo, that's Trevor's house, man. Come on, Tonto. You... Get him, Tonto. Get him. Get him. Get him, Tonto. Get him, Tonto. Get him, Tonto. You ain't getting away.
Or Adam.
You ain't getting away, boy. What you getting up for? You better. You better. I not even have to pull my gun, bro. Don't let Tonto tell you twice, man. Come on, man.
Stop right fucking there!
Don't let me have to shoot you, bro. Because I said Tonto to eat you up again, bro. Yes, Tonto. Hey, good work. Hey, Tonto. Good work, boy. Good work. Good boy. You deserve a fat steak. Yo, oh shit. You know what? I keep forgetting to tell dispatch when I'm on scene, man. That's one thing that real cops do, man. They be saying, dispatch, show me on scene. I don't be saying that shit. Oh, man. I gotta remember that. Dispatch, show me code 4. Suspect in custody.
Attention all units. Code 4. No additional support needed.
You know what? Let me tell her. Oh, it's okay, Bruno. It's okay, boy. You ain't going in my vehicle. That's Bruno's. You ain't sitting in Bruno's. I say Bruno. You ain't sitting in Tonto's seat, bro. Yo, you got fentanyl on you? Dispatch requesting transport.
Roger that. Transport required.
Okay, Tonto. Go back in the car. Good job, boy. Good job. Hey. Yo, man, what you doing breaking in Trevor's... Hey, bro. What you doing breaking in Trevor's house, man? Yo, man. Don't let me bit slap you, man. Talking to you, man. Hey, you, man. You're man. All right, take him away, man.
Traitor.
Oh, he's a traitor? I didn't even know that. Take that traitor away. Good job, Tonto. Ditch. Dispatch 7 Frank 11. I was going to say ditch patch. Ditch patch.
10-4, copy that.
Dispatch 7 Frank 11. Okay. She's busy. It's okay, dispatch, if you're busy.
Appreciate it.
Let me run some plate in the meantime while she get back to me.
Dispatch to 7 Frank 11. Go ahead.
Dispatch, show me 10-8.
Roger that. 10-8.
Keep patrolling this road, yo. Let me see. Turn that off for now. I think this little intersection right here I could eat, you know. I think I could really eat right here. Because it's 3 direction people gotta pass you.
Now you see it my way.
3 direction they gotta pass. So you could get all cars right here. Okay, turn that ALPR light on. Automatic license plate reader. Yeah, man. Do remember to like, subscribe. Do remember to share the video. Yeah, hit that like button. It's much appreciated, man. Yeah, man, we're just here on another Thursday patrol. Yo, get that tractor off the road. What's that, stolen vehicle? Okay. Yo, pull that shit over, man. You can't be driving no stolen vehicle around here. We up in the country now, boy. Can't be driving this shit up. Hey, what kind of pullover is that, man? You know what? Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna let him stay right here. I'm just gonna let him stay right here. Dispatch 7 Frank 11. Requesting plate check.
Target vehicle license plate 08 King William Edward 459ers. A traffic violation, a possible stolen vehicle, a traffic felony, a warrant issued.
Damn.
Caution.
Dispatch requesting code 2 backup.
Backup needed in Grapeseed.
Acknowledge.
See all your documents, please.
May I see your ID, please?
Thank you. Thank you.
Good day.
Yeah. Look like you will be going to jail today because you're in a stolen vehicle, but I'm just playing it off, you know. I should just pull him out and beat the hell out of him. But I'm just going by procedure. Okay, so Ashley Tuttle. So this guy, the owner, is his license suspended, and he has a. So even the owner is wanted, and this guy is wanted. So he's wanted, plus he's in a stolen car. Okay, both of them wanted, the owner and the guy that stole it. What an odd situation. Hey, don't let me get Tonto out here, man. You get the fuck out, man. Wait 1 minute here. Yeah, let my partner make sure you don't try shit.
You're under arrest, fucker.
Don't worry, partner. Don't worry. Don't shoot him, partner. Don't shoot him. I got him. Yeah, I think I like working in the K9 division better, man. I'll pat him down. Yo, look, come on. Get out the street, bro. Let me get you out the street. Yeah, man. Let me get you out the street. Yo, what's up, bro? Watch this dude right here, man. Let me search your car. Oh, you got a sniper rifle? Oh, you was planning some shit, huh? Yeah, what up, bro? Yo, bro. Yeah, my dude. Alright. Dispatch. Requesting transport.
Roger. Transport required.
Son of a bitch.
That's what he is. Get him out of here now. Get that boy out of here now.
Citizens report possible trespassing in Santiansky Mountain Range. Respond code 2.
Dispatch 7 Frank 11 en route.
Roger. Respond code 2.
Okay, look like Tonto gonna get somebody else to eat. Dispatch requesting tow truck, flatbed.
Appreciate it.
10-4 copy.
Alright, you know what? That car gonna have to stay right there. I got a call to go on. I ain't got no time for that car. When he get out of jail, he could send his auntie or his mama for it. Alright, let me see. Is it that same? Yo, don't tell me it's that same call again, yo. Because it say trespassing. And I'm coming this. Oh, look, the same place again, yo. Oh, look at him running. That motherfucker run, yo. Come on, yo. Come on, Tonto. I just saw somebody running around here. Oh, that's them up there? Yo, who is you, man? You got a gun too. Come on, Tonto, where you at? Damn, Tonto far.
Dispatch, perp in sight.
Tonto can't get you, you're lucky.
Mike, Oscar, Sam, requesting backup.
Damn, she's firing, bro. I didn't want to hit you up, lady. I didn't want to hit you up. But get him, Tonto. Get him, Tonto. Get out, Tonto. Get out, Tonto.
Here's code 4, Adam.
Dispatch suspect down. Let me go get this gun from her, yo. I know the train about to come too. Dispatch requesting ambulance.
Ambulance. Assistance required in Santiansky Mountain Range.
Alright, let me go see if I find my car. I don't know if it's gonna be, if it's still gonna be there. I hope so. Alright, let me see. I really do hope that car is still there. Come on, Tonto. Oh yeah, still there. get it off this train track, man. Let me go pick Tonto up. I'm right here, bro. Get him, boy. Get him, boy. There you go. Yo, that boy shoot up. Yo, that lady shoot up all my fucking That lady shoot up all my armor off. I'm gonna have to put some armor on. Damn. Oh, CPR fail. And that means I'm gonna have to call the ambulance and the coroner for her. They say CPR fail. Damn, I gotta come back over here to attend to you, huh? After you try to kill me. Dispatch requesting coroner unit.
Assistance required in Santiansky Mountain Range.
We just stay here till the coroner unit get here. Oh, here they come. Dispatch 7 Frank 11.
7 Frank 11. Go ahead.
Dispatch show me 10-8.
Roger, 10-8.
Hey, I heard some glass just broke. Hold up. Hold up. Let me see something. I just heard some glass broke. Is that guy what?
Officers report
Pursuit?
a criminal resisting arrest in Santiansky Mountain Range.
Dispatch 7 Frank 11 en route.
10-4 copy, 7 Frank 11.
Victor 13, we're at the little coffee shop around the corner. Herb located, in pursuit.
Dispatch requesting air support.
10-4, units requesting air support on Sonora Freeway.
Be advised, suspect entered freeway. We're flying over now. Air support, suspect is proceeding north.
I'm gonna keep letting him hit up in the back of the car. Slowing him down. We're gonna box him in. Trust me, we're gonna box him in. We're gonna box you in, bro. I'm telling you. Where's the support? They behind me or what? I know y'all fucked, right? I know y'all fucked, right? You don't let me get hey, don't let me get Tonto out of here. Okay, get him out there.
Where do you think you're going?
Let me move the car so you could get the other one.
What did you think was gonna happen?
Yo, you gotta get out of it. You gotta get out of it. You gotta get out. You gotta get out. Hey, lock her ass up too. Let's stop traffic right here.
You were going straight to jail, asshole.
Okay, Chopper, we don't need you no more, man. Thanks. Oh, where is she going?
Do not resist. You're under arrest, asshole.
Oh, okay, you're taking him? Okay, cool. Thanks. Oh, you taking him? Okay, that's what's up. I ain't gotta do shit. All I gotta do is get the...
Police car. Now.
Now! Where's your car, though?
What did you think was gonna happen?
Oh, okay. Let me search this car. I was wondering what she was standing there doing. Okay. Oh, there's a tow truck right there. There's a tow truck right there.
Think was gonna
Dispatch requesting tow truck, flatbed.
Flatbed. Assistance required on Sonora Freeway.
Yeah, man, we out of here. Dispatch 7 Frank 11. Okay. I need to make a U-turn. Oh my god, I thought I could go up there.
Dispatch to 7 Frank 11. Go ahead.
Dispatch show me 10-8.
Roger. 10-8.
Yeah, they don't want him, they don't want me to go get Tanto, man. Tanto don't play. Tanto 2 for 2 already. Oh, who's that? Is that somebody right there? What's this person doing right here? Oh, okay. On his mountain bike. Get out of the road, man. Alright, let me see what's up down here. Yo, Carl, hurry up, man. Somebody don't run into you. Oh, okay, everybody's behaving themselves so far, and over here is kind of dead. So let's head back over to Sandy Shores. Run some plates in the meantime. Yeah, I'm going back to that spot. That little three-way spot right here. Yeah, man, a little three-way spot. Right here. So everybody that pass, I get. Yo, Tonto, man. They got GPS right there. Garmin too. That's Garmin.
Citizens reporting possible trespassing in Sandy Shores. Respond code 2.
Dispatch 7 Frank 11 en route.
Roger. Respond code 2.
Look like Tonto gonna get somebody to eat. Let me go over this side because these people, they drive stupid. Yo, who those people, yo? Get out, Tonto. They're running. Come on, boy. They're running. They think I don't see them. Oh, there they go. Come on, Tonto. Get him, Tonto.
Hey, bro.
I see the perp. We're in pursuit.
I gotta run past that one. Tonto will help them get that one. I gotta get this one over here.
You're code 4, Adam.
No, man, there's one more. There we go. Oh, they killed that one. You ain't getting no way, bro. You're running like... This is Jamaican Usain Bolt right here, bro. Usain fucking Bolt. Yo, Lamar, stop, man.
Hands up!
Told you ain't gonna escape, bro. It's hard to escape Usain Bolt. Fuck wrong with you? Get the fuck up, man.
You're under arrest, fucker!
Oh, yeah. And you let me run all the way up here. Well, look what I'm gonna do to you, bro. If I making me do that, I'm gonna let you run all the way back. Motherfucker, run. Run. I wish you could like die of a heart attack while we get there. For making me do all this work. Tonto staying with her too, look. Tonto got her. Yo, Tonto a good dog, yo. She can't move, look. That's good dog, Tonto. Good dog, Tonto. Yes, boy, good dog. Don't let her move an inch. Dispatch requesting code 2 backup. I need somebody over here.
Backup required in Sandy Shores.
You're going away for a long time.
Adam 4, copy.
Good job, Tonto. I'm not leaving you ever again. All my episodes gonna have Tonto. All my Lspdfr episodes gonna have Tonto. Word up, Tonto is rolling with me now forever.
Howdy.
I need y'all to pat these people down, man. I think we did enough work. You know, I think we did enough work. Pat them down, yo. Okay, they're good. Dispatch requesting transport. Come on, Tonto, let's go.
Roger that. Transport required. Assistance required in Sandy Shores.
Get the steam off my piss.
So if we could find our car. Come on, boy.
You need to come pick up tools.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Well, I guess we'll be walking to the station, boy. I don't see no car.
You ever run the Liberty City Marathon?
What's that?
I know, man. That was insane.
What
was the name again?
This kind of turnout.
All right, Tonto. I'm gonna spawn a truck, man. I'm gonna spawn a vehicle. How you get this? Emergency. Here we go. What were you driving? I don't even remember. I don't even remember which one is it on this thing. Oh, sheriff. Sheriff. There we go. Let's go, Tonto. Let's go. Let's go. Dispatch 7, Frank 11.
7, Frank 11. Go ahead.
Dispatch show me 10-8.
10-4, copy that. 10-8.
You know what I could do? I could do with this. I could, so it won't, I could do this. And it won't, my people will always be there. I should have done that in the first place. Yep, another Thursday patrol. I don't know, maybe this one is a little bit long, this Thursday patrol, but hey. Damn, I didn't even see that big rock. Yep. What's that? Dispatch 7, Frank 11 en route.
10-4, 7, Frank 11.
Hold up, where am I going though? There? I'll turn that off. Get the hell out the road. Yo, watch it, fool.
Ah, shit! She feels shit about this.
Who gives a shit, man? Okay. So what am I looking for? Dispatch show me on scene.
Roger that. 10-23. Is backup required?
Negative, dispatch, negative.
10-4.
What am I looking for? Something stolen, right? It was a stolen vehicle? SUV? I'm looking for a stolen SUV, right? Huh. This one is a bit tricky. This one is a bit tricky. Vehicle spotted where? Oh, don't tell me you stuck, bro. Damn, he's on that street over there. Let me go straight and make a left. Straight and make a left. He's going up that street. Oh shit. All right, get out my way. Where did he turn? Here? Yup, he sure did. Watch it, bro. Watch it, bro. Emergency. I think I could take a shortcut and catch him right here. That's him right there. Dispatch requesting backup.
Dispatch, we have the suspect in sight.
Assistance required on Sonora Freeway.
I'm gonna
Copy, this is
I'm gonna shoot your tire up, bro. You better slow down. You know I'm doing one shot J. Oh, make it 2. Oh, did I get him? Huh? What I told you, boy? What I told you, huh? What I told you? One shot J. Oh. That motherfucker. Dispatch. Oh, never mind. I was gonna tell.
Check 4, copy.
the suspect just crashed.
Why y'all trying to fight each other to get him? Look at y'all. Oh my God. Damn, boy. That car is not stopping. Oh, there you go. Good maneuver right there. Let me shoot out the next tire, y'all. Maybe I shoot out the front one. Oh, he stopped.
I'll kill you. Reach for the sky, buddy. Hey, dispatch, the suspect is on foot.
Stop traffic.
Get that son of a bitch.
Code 4.
Hotel for you, buddy.
You search this up.
How's it going?
Yo, what's up, bro? Hey, officer. Respect, man. Let me do it the right way, yo. Yo, officer. Respect. Okay, you could go ahead, man.
Thanks.
Dispatch requesting tow truck.
Flatbed. Assistance required on...
Let me get my car out the street. Oh yeah, this Thursday was very exciting. Word up, working for the K9 unit. Don't get no better.
You disgust me.
Go ahead, bro. I'll wait till the wrecker. Wait till that tow truck get over here. Let me clear up traffic. So the tow truck will get down here. Come on, Tanto. Yeah, man, but this is where I'm going to leave the video for today. You know what I'm saying? Another Thursday patrol. Me and Tanto on the patrol. Yo, man, I love Tanto. I ain't leaving Tanto now. I miss Bruno. But I love Tanto. Word up, I ain't leaving him. Oh, there go the record truck. Yeah, man. So thanks for watching. 21 gun salute. Oh shit, I gotta do my shit. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. 21 gun salute. Word up. And if you're a first time viewer, do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video. All my subscribers, please hit that like button. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J _ dash under X, and also on Twitter, dash under X Jamaican J4. Thanks for watching. God bless.